All right, number 7. We have another problem with 2 radicals, so we're going to have to isolate one, and then we'll end up squaring this problem twice. We got 5k plus 4 under the square root minus 3, or the square root of 3k, and that is equal to 2. So I'm going to move this term over so I can isolate this radical. Alright, we're going to square both sides. Squaring this one, we'll just get rid of the square root. Over here, we're going to do the square, multiply, double, and square. So I'm going to square this, it'll get rid of the square root. That'll give me a 3k. Multiply this, it'll be a 2, but double it, it'll be plus 4 square roots of 3k. And then square the 2, give us 4. I'm going to combine like terms, so I'm going to subtract 3k. And I'm going to subtract 4. What happens, 3k cancels over here, and the 4 cancels, leaving me with 2k equals 4 square root of 3k. Now, since dividing by 4 will cause me to have a fraction, I'm going to save that for later. This term all together is one term. We're going to square both sides again. Squaring 2 and k will give me 4k squared. Squaring the 4 will give me 16, and then squaring the square root will get rid of it. So we have 16 times 3k. 16 times 3, so this will give me 4k squared equals 48k. I'll move both of these to the same side and we can factor. So we got 4k squared minus 48k equals 0, and we can factor out a 4k. That will leave us with k. Factoring out a 4 will leave us with a negative 12. And then we set both terms equal to 0. So we get 4k equals 0. And we get k minus 12 equals 0. So divide by 4, we get k equals 0. Possible solution. And k equals 12. Now, got to go back and plug these in and check, because just because you get 2 answers does not mean they both work. So if we plug in a 0, we get 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Plug in a 0, so we got 2 minus 0 equals 2. The 0 looks like it works. Plug in the 12. 5 times 12 is 60, plus 4, 64. Square root of 64 is 8. Plug in the 12. 3 times 12, 36. Square root of 36 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Both of them check out. So we got 2 solutions. 0, not the empty set, sorry. 0 and 12.